Hi, Jake with Dow Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock tail, brake, turn signal, and reverse lighting on this 2019 Ford Ranger with our LED upgrades. Now from the factory, this 2019 Ford Ranger still uses incandescent lighting that's fine, but the technology is outdated and it just doesn't provide that much light. By comparison, the XP80 LED bulbs that we're going to be using today provide 510 lab-verified lumens of light output. Installation is simple and straightforward, only requires basic hand tools. Let's get started. To get started with the passenger side installation of our tail and brake, turn, and reverse lighting on this 2019 Ford Ranger, we're going to use an 8mm socket to remove 1 and 2 bolts from the taillight housing, which will then allow us to pull the housing out, access the factory bulbs, and install our LED upgrades. With our 2 8mm bolts removed, you're actually going to pull the passenger side taillight out to your right slightly. It doesn't come straight back. The tabs actually go into the truck. So we're going to grip it here and then pull out into the right, and that'll give us access to the factory bulbs. So with the taillight out, you can access your tail and brake, turn, and reverse bulbs here. Now these are all 7443 size bulbs. So to remove the taillight bulb, we'll turn it counterclockwise. Pull the bulb out from the housing. This is our stock halogen bulb. And our XP80 replacement drops right into place. Now each one of these bulbs that we're installing today is polar sensitive, so you'll want to test the function before you completely reinstall the taillight. If for any reason any of the bulbs that you install don't light up right away, not a big deal. Simply pull the bulb out, rotate the connection 180 degrees, and reinsert the bulb. Then we can insert our XP80 into the housing. And just like you would expect, we're going to turn it clockwise to secure it. And we'll repeat the same steps for each one of our other bulbs. So this is our factory turn signal. Now one thing that we want to mention real quick is when you're upgrading to LED turn signal bulbs, some vehicles will hyperflash or hyperblink when they blink faster than normal. To correct this, we recommend using our Resistor Kit, which is linked in the description below. If you're not sure how to install resistors, that's okay. Our installation video for our Resistor Kit is also linked below. And last but not least is our factory reverse bulb. Pull that out, set it to the side, and our final XP80 replacement goes right into place. Okay, with our 3 bulbs installed, we can reinsert the taillight housing. We'll just want to be careful to line up the tabs, and then the taillight slides right in. Now make sure when you're bolting this in that you're still holding the taillight in place. You don't want that to be falling out. So we'll hold it in place and we'll thread our 2 8mm screws back in. And then we'll tighten them down. Now we're going to repeat all the exact same steps on the driver's side of the truck to finalize our installation. With our LED tail, brake, turn signal, and reverse lighting installed, this 2019 Ford Ranger not only has a much more modern look thanks to the instant on-off functionality of the LED bulbs, but in the case of our tail and brake and turn signal lighting will be much easier to spot by other drivers on the road. With our LED reverse lights, you'll have dramatically better visibility when backing up at night. For more information on the bulbs installed here today, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.